Welcome back to our channel, where we explore natural remedies, healing herbs, and how to live better with the power of plants. Nettle is more than just a stinging plant. Both the seeds and leaves are loaded with powerful health benefits. But which one should you use and when? Let's break it down. This video is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. Always talk to your healthcare provider before starting any new herbal supplement. Nettle, or Urtica dioica, is a powerhouse herb. While many know its sting, herbalists value its incredible nutritional and medicinal properties. Different parts of the plant offer distinct benefits. Let's start with the more commonly known part. Nettle leaves are a nutritional treasure trove. They are packed with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like iron, calcium, and magnesium. This makes them excellent for overall vitality. They are well known for their anti-inflammatory properties. This makes nettle leaf tea or extract popular for conditions like arthritis and seasonal allergies. It can help soothe inflammation and discomfort. Common uses include making nourishing teas and infusions. The leaves can also be cooked like spinach in soups and stews. A cooled infusion makes a great hair rinse for scalp health. For allergy relief, many use freeze-dried nettle leaf capsules. As a tea, it's a gentle diuretic and supports kidney function. Always ensure leaves are dried or cooked to neutralize the sting. Start with small amounts to see how your body reacts. If foraging, be absolutely sure of identification and wear gloves. Moving on to the seeds, which are gaining popularity in modern herbalism. Nettle seeds are often considered a tonic for the adrenal glands. They are used to combat fatigue and exhaustion. They are also highly regarded as a kidney tonic. Herbalists use them to support kidney function and vitality. The seeds are thought to provide a stimulating, restorative energy. Nettle seeds can be taken in several ways. You can sprinkle the dried seeds directly onto food, like salads or yogurt. They have a slightly nutty flavor. Tinctures made from nettle seeds are a concentrated way to get their benefits. Infusions can also be made, though the seeds are less commonly brewed than the leaves. When using seeds, it's important to note their stimulating effect. They are best taken earlier in the day to avoid disrupting sleep. Start with a small dose and listen to your body. Nettle seeds are potent. They are generally not recommended for long-term daily use without guidance from a qualified practitioner, especially if you have kidney conditions. So to recap, both parts of the nettle plant are powerful. Nettle leaves are fantastic for broad nutritional support, reducing inflammation, and easing allergy symptoms. They are a gentle, nourishing tonic. Nettle seeds, on the other hand, offer a more stimulating effect. They are traditionally used to restore energy, support adrenal health, and act as a specific tonic for the kidneys. Choosing between them depends on your needs. For general wellness, allergies, or inflammation, the leaves are often the go-to. For deep fatigue or kidney support, the seeds might be more appropriate. Many people benefit from using both at different times or for different purposes. Nature provides us with incredible tools for health. If you learned something new today, hit that like button, share this with a friend who loves herbal medicine, and don't forget to subscribe for more nature-powered health tips every week.